In this video, I will show you how to save money at Micro Center by setting up the PriceLasso price tracker on PC parts that you want to buy. PriceLasso shows you Micro Center price history and sends you alert emails when the price drops to the amount you want. By waiting a few weeks, you can often save lots of money on PC parts at Micro Center. To start price tracking, just sign up for free with PriceLasso right here. Then add our browser extension and then go to any Micro Center product page. I'm going to add this DDR5 RAM right now, but you can add any PC parts you want. Frankly, this isn't a cheap item, but you can't really get cheap RAM these days. But you can add other PC parts to price track, and then once you do, you can see it on your alert dashboard. You can adjust the alert price to whatever you want, and once the price hits that, you'll get an email alert. In addition to Micro Center, PriceLasso also lets you price track at other PC parts stores like Amazon, Newegg, Adorama, and many more, and also works across all the major browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and even Safari on iPhone.